just make out Penavan and Cone D. I don't know how clear it'll be on the video, but it's in that direction over there. Just approaching the lake now. We made it up here, guys. Jodie's just over there. That's where we're going to be pitching the tent up. Sun's tucked away now behind the mountains. Just set the tent up now. We got all to ourselves up here tonight as well. Lovely. Yeah. Cheers. Ah, lovely. What have we got for food then, Joe?
Got noodles or noodles.
What have we got for afters then?
Yeah.
Cheers, Joe. Time for a couple of Morettis now, and we shall see you in the morning. See you in a bit, guys. That's it for us now, guys, tonight. It's quite chilly tonight, so we're well wrapped up with our sleeping bag liners as well. And we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Quite a chilly one last night, guys, as you can see with the tent. Woohoo! What's the view this morning? Oh, it's quite claggy up here this morning. Cup of coffee now, some porridge. We'll make our way back down then. That's it for us now, guys. Leave no trace as usual. This clag don't seem to want to disappear, so I'm going to make our way back down the mountain now. In a bit, guys.